Hi there, I'm Professor Blackmore, and I want to welcome you to ProfessorBlackmore.com, where our goal is to empower results through real productivity. And before I go any further, I'd like to ask that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. And please also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Now today, I'm coming back to you to talk about the shocking developments in the Travis Scott Astroworld concert tragedy. And as you know, the first lawsuits have already been filed. And here is a copy of that first lawsuit. Now, I've practiced insurance defense law in Texas for over 20 years, representing companies just like Live Nation and people like Travis Scott. These will be people who would have insurance for events such as this. And in any lawsuit that will be filed in a situation like this, it's going to be based on basic negligence elements. And so from a defense standpoint, one thing that's going to be key is causation, because those four basic elements of negligence are duty, breach, causation, and damages. And so now you can see all of the entities, the law enforcement, the city, the county, the venue, everybody's solidifying what they did and did not do at the time, because they all will be potential defendants in many of these lawsuits. Now, for the most part, these plaintiffs' attorneys are going to be going after the deep pocket, the Live Nation, the Travis Scott, Drake, etc. As you know, in addition to Travis Scott, Drake was one of the acts in this particular concert as well. Now we're hearing that there was all types of erratic and outlandish behavior that was taking place before the concert even started, with people storming the gate. And there are many who are going to say that because of this, the concert should not have gone forward in the first place.
Y'all are fucking killing me. Crushing people. Wait, don't fucking get up. Hey, back up. Let's go. I don't care if you got a band, get out.
But when you're looking at that causation of what actually caused the deaths of some of these individuals, or some of the individuals that were injured, what actually caused their injuries, that is going to be the critical component here. Did these events that happened before the concert have anything to do with any causation that could be linked to Travis Scott or Drake, or that could be linked to the City of Houston Police Department? These are the things that are going to be questions that are going to need to be answered. And if we have any intervening cause, like any type of criminal activity that could have taken place, this is probably going to have some type of effect on negating any causation, if any, that could be linked to any other person, like Travis Scott, like the city or police department, like Drake. So these are the things that people need to think about while they're trying to point those fingers to determine who actually has the causation aspect of what occurred here. We're hearing allegations that people were being punctured with needles and or may have been drugged with some type of illegal drug or substance that caused this rushing or seeming rushing of the stage. So if there is any allegation that there were people who were trying to rush the stage, that this was the cause of these deaths and or injuries, you'll have to find a way to link this to the person that we're trying to sue here. If we have a situation where people were being drugged, causing people to fall out, which in turn caused people in the crowd to think that the crowd was moving forward or to the front of the stage, then if this was that event that caused that, then that criminal activity is surely going to negate or have some lessening of any other causal fact that would link causation of any of the defendants that have been named in this lawsuit or that will be named in any of the lawsuits to come. And so these are just some of the things that we want to be on the lookout for as the facts continue to develop in the coming weeks. Obviously, the focus of a lawsuit in some instances is just to settle with the deep pocket. While it's very early and we don't really know what the facts may bear out, this is just the type of activity that you can expect from plaintiffs' lawyers, especially in the state of Texas. Now, for those plaintiffs' lawyers who want to clap back at me, all I ask is that you be nice in the comments. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And please also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified when I post other videos on developments in this Travis Scott case. And please also follow me on TikTok and Instagram.